Alright guys, it's your old pal Rocket Johnny here, and today we are building a high-end gaming PC. We're going to be doing a bunch of videos about the build, so subscribe to the channel, don't miss out, check it out, let me know what you think in the comments. And we're starting off with an unboxing video. This one is for the Sapphire Nitro Plus Special Edition AMD Radeon RX 5700 XT GPU. We are going with the AMD GPU for a couple reasons. It outperforms the NVIDIA equivalents that are around the same price point, and has the FreeSync technology built into it, which FreeSync capable monitors typically are going to be less expensive than the G-Sync equivalent. So, and this Sapphire Nitro card comes overclocked and comes with some real nice RGB. It's a good looking card. It's got the 3 fans, so it'll be much quieter than the single blower fan that is common for this AMD GPU. So let's get this thing unboxed. And as always, we're doing this on the anti-static mat. Safety first. We're properly grounded. We've got our wristband attached, so don't want any ESD. Okay. Alright, so we got the instruction manual here, quick install guide, and we've got just some basic info from the manufacturer. And then here is the card. And that is all that's in the box. And let's check out this card. All right. Look at that. Got the 3 fans, which do have RGB in them. I've got the Sapphire logo there, which also lights up. Very cool looking card. And again, it's got your connectors there on the end. Alright, so great looking card. And we're going to be doing some videos showing how this thing performs. Thanks for watching.